All right guys, we have a 1964 C10. Now maybe you've seen this truck before. This is built by Slam 64 maybe 3 years ago, some 2015 styling if you will. And we actually got it from another customer, and he basically loved this truck, loves the color, loves a lot of things about it, but he kind of wants to make it a little bit better. He saw the new 64 Slam 64 C10 that's in the C10 Builder's Guide that's out right now. He saw that and he kind of wanted to take his to just a little bit different level. So we've got the same 5.3 truck motor in here, wheels, it's all Porter-built. You know, everything about it is, you know, a really nicely built, solid truck, but we're going to step it up a little bit. And I'll show you the motor that we're going to put in it here shortly. Very cool motor. We are going to repaint this truck just by tearing it apart, blowing it apart, redoing all the wiring. We're going to put some 12-inch wheels in the back, so we'll take the Porter-built suspension where it's the airbags are outboard. We're going to move them inboard. Porter-built makes a kit, so if you're thinking about putting wider wheels on your Porter-built suspension, those guys got all the parts and conversion that you need to make that change. And so we're going to change that. We'll put a new wood bed floor in it, possibly a bed, you know, lift gate that works. This is an old style Porter-built hood hinges, so we're going to add the gas assist brackets and everything to make it easier, so we can ditch this acrylic pole, if you will. It's nice. I like the pole. Anyways, the hood weighs like 5,000 pounds, so definitely you really appreciate the Porter-built gas assisted hinges. So anyways, we're going to change the brakes over to Wilwood. We've got a master cylinder that will change over to Wilwood. We'll probably keep the Hydro Boost system and a few upgrades on the interior for sure. And hopefully in the next 6-8 months we got this thing back on the road and it's turning and burning. But anyways, we're going to walk over and take a look at the motor we got set aside for it. And just kind of, you'll want to watch this one. This is another cool C10 we're building. So again, you might think we're Ford guys, but Ford guys build the baddest C10s out there. So just remember that. All right, let's go check it out. All right, so here we are. This thing just showed up today. This is a 2013 Camaro ZL1 supercharged LSA motor. It's pretty bad to the bone. You got the 6L90 transmission, and we're basically going to put this in that C10 truck over there. So really stoked about it. It's really going to wake that truck up, and not to mention it's going to look really awesome under the hood when you pop the hood and you see this thing sitting under there. So we've got a lot of cool things that we're going to do to this truck. New inner fenders. The guy at Heart Fab's helping us out on that, and some new rear wheel tubs. And so at the end of the day, really excited about that truck, and to kind of give it, you know, a little bit more. I think at the time it was built, Tony did an awesome job building it, and he did pretty much all the work himself. And then now we're just going to give it a little bit more, and kind of give it that fat Fender Garage attention, and make that C10 great. And so definitely follow us on this one. This is going to be something that you know, we'll be posting a lot of videos and content on it, so it's something you're going to want to watch. And we're kind of just getting underway. We're going to start taking the wood floor out and start prepping it and getting it ready for the teardown. And so stay tuned and watch that build. Thanks.